See what's inside. I actually don't know what's inside.
The heck was
That's
that?
the fun part. Is I kind of want to open it.
It's bubble wrapped, whatever it is. Okay, it's bubble wrapped.
Yeah, you're fine. I think.
Wait, like.
Oh, it's making noises.
No! Oh my God! What is it? Don't throw it.
Okay, let me open it. I'll actually open it.
Whatever it is, it's making noises.
Can we just get this thing open?
Oh, give it to me. I'll actually open it.
Okay.
Not from Amazon.
Okay. Open it.